Okay, so now I've explained all the ingredients to you. We've gotten them all measured. We're gonna start putting them in the bowl. Okay, so since we are beginners, I'm gonna start with creaming the butter. I'm just gonna put the half stick of butter in there for you to see. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it into small pieces. I find this is easier when you're creaming butter. The important thing here is that the butter is soft enough. So you see how my spatula is kind of melting it almost, kind of like pushing it down. That's the right consistency that we want for the butter. So I'm just going to cut it into little cubes, okay? And this usually the softening of the butter takes about an hour. And I'm just going to go ahead and add the whole stick of the last butter. Okay. So what we're going to do is cream this for a little bit or blend it for a little bit so that it gets a little smooth, and then we'll add the sugar. Okay, so it's already a little smooth there, nicely blended. We're just going to go ahead and add our sugar. And we're going to start blending. Blending usually takes about 3 to 5 minutes. So don't be alarmed if it takes a little longer and you don't find that the consistency is where you want it to be. If you need to, you can use the spatula to scrape the sides. It's also important to rotate when you are blending, so you want to make sure that you are blending everything together. Okay, and we're almost there. You can see that the texture is becoming a little bit creamier.